A particle of mass 5 kilograms is acted upon by 3 forces. F1, which is 7I plus 3J newtons, F2, 4I minus 8J newtons, and F3, which is negative 3I newtons. Find the acceleration of the particle. Well, if this is our particle, we've got 7I plus 3J, so we've got F1 acting up here, 4I minus 8J, so we've got F2 acting down here. It'll be steeper than that actually, but we don't need to be accurate. So we've got F2 there, and negative 3I, so that would be F3 here. The resultant force would be just the sum of those 3 forces. So F1 plus F2 plus F3. So that's going to be 7, 3 plus 4, negative 8 plus negative 3, 0. 7 and 4 is 11. Take away 3 is 8. 3 take away 8 is negative 5. So it would be 8, negative 5 newtons. So we know that F equals ma. The resultant force is 8, negative 5, and that's equal to 5a. So dividing both sides by 5 gives us a is 1.6, negative 1, and that of course would be in meters per second squared.